I just found a YouTube channel that with only 28 videos has pulled in over 200,000 subscribers, where the creator is posting simple music videos that have gained millions of views. And if we take a look at the analytics, you can see how much attention these videos are receiving. But it doesn't stop there. This creator has also started an Instagram page now, sitting at over 200,000 followers, where posts are gaining millions of views, with all of the content being created using the power of AI. That's why in this video, I'll break down the entire process behind creating videos in this niche using a clear workflow. This niche stands out because it has a lower level of competition and it's easy to approach without complicated production steps. These videos rely on a single static image, which shows that the format doesn't depend on heavy visuals or advanced editing. But the key element that helps these videos perform so well is the music itself, and you don't need to be a professional songwriter or a singer, because I'll walk you through a process for creating original music tracks using AI tools, and I'll walk you through all of the steps in one complete workflow, covering song creation, video creation, and SEO optimization, so you can understand how these videos are created and start your own Faceless channel. Now let's start with the music creation process, where I'll show you how to create music tracks that really stand out. So before we get into it, here's what this tool actually is. Freebeat's AI music video agent is not a template tool. It's not a slideshow generator. It's an intelligent agent that takes your music as its only input and builds a complete cinematic music video around it, automatically. You upload the track. The agent listens to it, understands its energy and rhythm, generates a creative concept, builds individual scenes, reviews the storyboard, and then renders the full video. No manual editing, no production experience required. And what makes this different from every other AI video tool out there is that the music itself is the only director here. You're not writing scene descriptions, you're not choosing templates, you're not manually syncing anything to the beat. The agent handles all of that on its own, and the results are a lot more impressive than you'd expect. And yes, there's a discount code at the end of this video, so make sure you stay until the finish. Now, let's get into how this actually works. I uploaded my track and typed in the simplest command possible. Make a video for this song. That's it. From there, the agent moves through 7 steps on its own. Step 1 is planning. You upload your song or paste a link from platforms like YouTube, SoundCloud, or any direct MP3 file, and you choose the length, anywhere from 30 seconds up to the full track. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want a quick preview or a complete music video. Step 2 is input analyzing. The AI listens to your track and maps out its rhythm, energy, and overall vibe. It's not just detecting the BPM, it's reading the emotional tone, the drops, the build-ups, and the overall feel of the song so it can make informed, creative decisions later. Step 3 is concept generation. Based on what it heard, it builds a creative direction, the style, the mood, the visual story. This is where the agent acts like a real director, deciding how the video should feel before a single frame is created. Step 4 is scene building. It takes that concept and breaks it down into individual scenes matched to your track. Each scene is designed to land at the right moment in the song, so the visuals aren't just playing over the music, they're actually responding to it. Step 5 is the summary page. Before anything is rendered, you get to review the full storyboard. This is your chance to see what the agent has planned and make sure it aligns with your vision before any credits are spent on rendering. Step 6 is video segment creation. The agent starts generating each segment of the video in detail, applying the visual style, the character direction, and the scene transitions that were planned in the earlier steps. Step 7 is the final merge. All segments are combined into one complete synced music video. And just like that, you go from a raw audio file to a finished cinematic video, without touching a single editing tool. At each step, you can review the output on the right side of the screen and click Continue when you're ready to move forward. Now that the entire video is ready, let's finally see how it came out.
fire. Doing in a stable, I don't feel I'm tired. I sell my product knowing I'ma be the buyer. Every mountain top I see the peak gets higher. Lift the blast off, kick some dust up. Said a lot like I can't shut the fuck up. The fuck I started with, I hang a buck up. Not clamming up, just been a tough shuck. I can stop it now.
As you can see, the music video came out amazing. And while I didn't play the entire song, you can already tell that the result is really solid and looks completely professional. But I want to give you an honest breakdown, because there are real strengths here and there are real limitations worth knowing before you start spending credits. On the strength side, the beat sync is one of the most accurate I've seen from any AI video tool right now. The visuals are cinematic, the transitions are smooth, and the whole process from upload to finished video takes only a few minutes. The fact that one simple prompt drives the entire production is what makes this actually usable at scale, especially if you're running a faceless channel and need to produce content consistently without a big production setup. On the limitation side, the credit system is not fully transparent up front. You won't see your total cost until step 4, which means if your balance is too low, the render stops halfway through. That's something to be aware of before you start. The current standard output is 720p, though 1080p support has now been added, so make sure you're selecting the right export setting when you go to download. And the maximum video length is capped at 5 minutes, so if your track runs longer than that, you'll need to trim it or split the video into sections. This is still a beta product and there are rough edges, but the core technology is already doing something that would take hours to produce manually, and it's doing it in minutes. For anyone building in this space, that gap in time and effort is what makes this worth paying attention to. If you want to try Freebeat.ai, I've got a 10% discount for my community, so open the Freebeat AI link in the description below. It helps support the channel and gets you started at a lower cost. And from here, it's up to you to take everything you've learned and actually apply it to start your own faceless channel in this niche. Trust me, niches like this don't stay hot forever. They move fast, and the people who win are the ones who take action early, not the ones who wait. So if you're serious about making this work, the best time to start is right after you finish watching this video.